Hey guys, these might look familiar. A couple years ago I was talking about a Japanese mod where you put both of these together and double them up so you have better strength. Very popular in Japan. Well, one thing that I don't like about these things, one thing is I couldn't use the double up feature because the Cusco brace that connects these two underneath that go under the axles, doubling up, no clearance. So I bought two new ones. These are the old ones, and put them on. And I've been trying to find a replacement ever since. I wanted to find aluminum. I wanted to find anything that I could use to replace these. The SRT, Swift Racing Technologies, used to make them. They're out of business, so they're out. I was looking into seeing if the ISF version of these were the same length. Maybe I can go for aluminum versions of those. But I couldn't find anything. More importantly is I wanted to make sure that I could possibly still use my Cusco brace. Well, looking on Yahoo Japan gave me a startling moment. Let's see if we can put this right here. Put this right here. That is an exact replica in size of this. This piece is made out of 304 stainless steel. So yeah, it's got some heft to it. But more importantly, it looks like I could still utilize my Cusco brace. And if not, if there's like some interference, all you gotta do is sand this down a little and it'll work. I don't have to worry about rust. 304 stainless steel. Don't have to worry about rusting. And from the Yahoo Japan ad, these things can take a hell of a lot of horsepower. So am I gonna have a hell of a lot of horsepower? Who knows in the future? Who really knows? It's just nice knowing that the option is there. I paid a decent amount of. These were actually pretty cheap, and they were well made. So these will be going on soon, and I have another video coming up that really goes really far in depth for suspension mods, and I think it's more of a higher stage of chassis bracing. But you guys are going to have to wait and see. This is A for Hachi signing off.